Welcome to CarsNew channel. This time we will discuss 2026 Renault Captur Revealed. Renault has officially unveiled the 2026 Renault Captur, bringing a fresh and dynamic update to one of its best-selling compact crossovers. With a bold new design, enhanced technology, and an electrified powertrain lineup, the latest Captur is set to redefine the segment and attract urban adventurers and eco-conscious drivers alike. Striking new design with a futuristic touch, the 2026 Renault Captur features a more sculpted and aerodynamic exterior, with a redesigned front grille, sleeker LED matrix headlights, and a more aggressive bumper design. The sharper body lines and a floating roof effect give the crossover a sophisticated yet sporty look. New 18 and 19-inch alloy wheel designs further enhance its street presence, while fresh color options, including a striking two-tone scheme, add to its customization appeal. Tech-savvy and premium interior. Inside, Renault has focused on elevating comfort and innovation. The cabin boasts a fully digital 12.3-inch driver's display, paired with a high-resolution 12-inch infotainment touchscreen featuring the latest Opener Link system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, AI-assisted voice control, and an upgraded Bose sound system ensure a high-tech and immersive driving experience. Premium soft-touch materials, ambient lighting, and redesigned ergonomic seats enhance the sense of luxury, while a panoramic sunroof and customizable interior themes provide a premium feel usually reserved for higher-end models. Electrified powertrains for maximum efficiency. Renault continues its push for sustainability by offering multiple electrified powertrains. The 2026 Captur comes with a plug-in hybrid PHEV option, capable of delivering over 50 miles of pure electric range, as well as a new mild hybrid engine that improves fuel efficiency while maintaining strong performance. For those seeking a more dynamic drive, a turbocharged petrol variant with Renault Advanced E-Tech hybrid technology ensures a balance between power and sustainability. An improved regenerative braking system and multiple drive modes allow drivers to tailor performance to their preferences. Advanced safety and semi-autonomous driving. The new Captur is equipped with Renault's latest suite of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. A new Level 2 semi-autonomous driving system enhances highway driving by combining lane centering and adaptive speed adjustments for a more relaxed experience. Conclusion: a perfect blend of style, innovation, and sustainability. With its futuristic design, high-tech interior, and electrified performance, the 2026 Renault Captur is a game-changer in the compact crossover segment. Renault has successfully evolved its best-selling model, ensuring that it meets the demands of modern drivers looking for style, efficiency, and smart technology. Whether navigating urban streets or embarking on weekend getaways, the new Captur promises an exciting and responsible driving experience.